Introduction. Hey there, future entrepreneur. Are you curious about starting a business with no money? You're not alone. Many successful business owners have started from scratch with little to no initial investment. In this video, we'll explore some practical strategies to help you get started. Understand your resources. To start a business with no money, you need to think creatively about what you already have. This means identifying your existing skills, talents, and resources. For example, do you have a hobby that you're passionate about? Can you use your existing social media presence to promote your business? Make a list of what you have to work with. Develop a low-cost business idea. Not all businesses require a lot of money to start. Consider ideas that are low-cost or even free, such as freelance writing or designing, virtual assistants, online surveys or market research, creating and selling digital products. Think about what you enjoy doing and how you can turn it into a business. Leverage free or low-cost tools. You don't need to spend money on expensive software or equipment to start a business. Utilize free or low-cost tools like Google Drive for document storage, Canva for graphic design, social media platforms for marketing. These tools can help you stay organized and reach your target audience without breaking the bank. Build a basic website. Having a professional-looking website is essential for any business. You can create a basic website using WordPress or Wix. Free website builders like Weebly online templates. Keep it simple and focus on showcasing your services or products. Reach out to potential clients. Once you have a basic website, it's time to reach out to potential clients. Start by networking with friends, family, and colleagues. Joining online communities related to your business. Offering free consultations or trials. This will help you build a customer base and generate revenue. Continuously improve and adapt. Starting a business with no money requires flexibility and adaptability. Continuously evaluate and improve your strategies, and be willing to pivot if something isn't working. This will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Recap and next steps. That's it. To recap, starting a business with no money requires identifying your existing resources, developing a low-cost business idea, leveraging free or low-cost tools, building a basic website, reaching out to potential clients, continuously improving and adapting. If you're serious about starting a business with no money, take the first step today. Research and learn more about your chosen business idea. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.